All right, welcome back to the channel. This is Ty with MMT Pros. We're about to take a look at the Mark V Vinyl and Leather Shampoo. In my opinion, this is the best vinyl and leather shampoo on the market today. Roll that beautiful bean footage. Let's get it. All right, now let's get in here and check this leather out. Okay, we're gonna put a tape line in the middle of the seat to show a clear difference in between clean and dirty. These are the tools we'll be using: the Matte Shine leather and vinyl brush, as well as the regular horsehair brush. I did use this to do my small inconspicuous spot on the front of the seat. Turned out pretty well. As you can see, it's pretty clean right there at the front, but let's get into it. All right, welcome back. We're working on the Mark V leather vinyl and leather shampoo, guys. This right here is amazing. 40 parts to 1. That's when we mix this ratio, 40 parts to 1 basically. Sprayed a little bit on the end of my brush, and we're about to give you guys an example. I mean, mind you, this is just a little soft brush. This brush isn't hard. We all know about these type of brushes. Maybe I need to put a little more on a little more solution. There we go. Lather it up really, really well. You know what? We're gonna go ahead and switch over to the brush now. By the way, this is not a super hard brush. It's actually made for leather and vinyl. It's made by Matte Shine. I think I talked about it in a video a while back. A lot of stuff I talk about in the video, I mean to get around to making videos for them, but guys, I forget sometimes, so bear with me. If I say something about doing something in the video, hey, jump in the comments and say, hey, you said you were gonna do a video on that. We've been waiting. Kind of gotta remind me sometimes, guys. And woo-wee, can you see the difference right there? Let me go ahead and get some fresh water. Now we have some fresh water. Let's go ahead and wipe this area down. Go ahead and neutralize it. Be sure that we're not leaving any residue on this seat. Even though that's just a small area, we're gonna go ahead and do every area like this as we go along. But we just wanted you guys to see the before and after right here. This is what we call amazing, amazing, amazing. Definitely a clear difference. Bring you guys on this tripod. Ready? Clean. Need your leather clean? Definitely give us a call. 919-867-9838. We definitely come out and give you some service. As you can see, guys, amazing transformation. All right, guys, let's take a look at this leather on the inside. I definitely recommend the Mark 5 vinyl and leather shampoo, guys. Definitely go out and pick you up some. It does amazing work. Look at the inside of this vehicle. It looks brand new. My customer was completely thrilled with the way the seats came out. He didn't believe that it was that much dirt on the seats until I actually showed him the picture and the video before and after. Check it out. All right, thanks for hanging in with me thus far, guys. We will be doing another giveaway. I did just ship the winner his prizes off today, so I'm thinking about doing another giveaway here soon. Stay tuned. We'll definitely keep you posted on that. But thanks for viewing. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, definitely smash that like button. Peace. Get back with you on the next one.